If you want to delete files from OneDrive but keep them on your PC, this quick method will help you do it safely and correctly. This is really useful if your OneDrive storage is getting full, or if you simply want to clean up your cloud storage without losing the files saved on your computer. In this video, I'll show you the easiest way to move files out of OneDrive while keeping a local copy on your PC. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, press Windows and E on your keyboard to open File Explorer. This is where you'll be able to see all of your folders and storage locations on your computer. Once File Explorer opens, look for your OneDrive folder in the left sidebar or in the main folder list and open it. Inside OneDrive, find the files or folders that you want to keep on your PC but remove from OneDrive Cloud Storage. Now select the files or folders you want to move. You can click one file or hold Ctrl and click multiple files if you want to move more than one item at a time. If you want to move an entire folder, you can select the whole folder as well. After selecting the items, press Ctrl and X on your keyboard. This cuts the files, which means they're ready to be moved from OneDrive to another location. Next, you need to open a normal folder on your PC that is not inside OneDrive. You can choose a folder like Documents, Downloads, Desktop, or even a folder on your D drive if you have one. The important thing is that it should be a regular local folder on your computer, not a OneDrive synced folder. Once you open that folder, press Ctrl and V to paste the files there. After you paste them, the files will now be stored on your PC instead of remaining inside OneDrive. In most cases, OneDrive will remove the cloud copy because you moved the files out of the OneDrive folder and into a local folder. That means the files stay accessible on your computer while your OneDrive cloud storage gets freed up. This is the key thing to remember. If you simply delete files from the OneDrive folder, they may also be removed from the cloud and could even affect the synced copy depending on your setup. That's why moving them to a normal PC folder first is the safer method if your goal is to keep them locally. So always make sure you cut and paste them into a non-OneDrive folder instead of deleting them directly from the synced folder. Once you've finished, check the new location to make sure the files are still there on your computer. Then open OneDrive and confirm that the cloud storage has been reduced. That's it. Your files are now kept on your PC but removed from OneDrive storage the right way. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy Windows and OneDrive tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.